Today we will be talking about tools. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, बाइक मॉडिफाई करने में उसकी सर्विस करनी या फिर उसकी कोई मेंटेनेंस करनी हो तो वी नीड टूल्स. So let's start about them. Let me first show you the tools which I have. I have very basic tools. कोई ज़्यादा हाई फाई टूल्स नहीं है मेरे पास और काम चल जाता है मेरा सारा. जो भी मुझे करना होता है A to Z सब कुछ हो जाता है मेरा काम उनसे. So let's start. These all tools I have. This is socket set, quarter-inch socket set, and these tools I purchased as per my requirements. This is screwdriver. We can call it ring spanner. It is generally used for opening rear axle. It came with the bike toolkit. Open-ended spanners, adjustable spanner, or we can call it wrench. 6-inch open-ended spanner, adjustable spanner. These are various Allen keys. I purchased them as per my requirements, and these are used for adjusting the rear monoshock absorber which we have in our bikes. Those bikes which have rear monoshock absorber, for them these are useful for adjusting their smoothness. This is used as extender so that ये हाथ में चुभेगा नहीं, ये इसके अंदर लगा के we can use it. And this is used to open spark plug of the bike. Coming to them, these are various sockets. All are quarter-inch sockets, and these are their extenders. It is ratchet. For example, we will fix it, and this is used both for opening and tightening the bolts. It is used now for tightening, and now it is used for opening the bolts. Press this key and insert it. It is fixed tight. And then flexible extension bar, T-handle, 10 centimeter extension bar, 5 centimeter extension bar. We have several Allen keys. ये इस टूल किट के साथ आ गई, इससे छोटी हैं. हाँ, छोटी हैं सारी, काम आ जाएंगी कहीं ना कहीं. ये एलन कीज हैं, ये स्क्रू ड्राइवर्स हैं अलग अलग साइजेस के, और ये भी सॉकेट्स हैं. एंड दीज आर सेम, दीज वर्क सेम एज स्पैनर्स, रिंग स्पैनर्स. एंड इसके बारे में भूल गए, दिस इज हैमर. सब लोग जानते होंगे आप लोग. वेरी बेसिक टूल्स. So guys, as you have seen that I have very basic tools, and these are enough for me. You will get the purchase link of quarter-inch socket set in description box, and other tools I purchased as per my requirements from local hardware shop. So hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like my video, and if you are new, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video.